Kinkinin mo.
But you talk about Christmas and Halloween. Oh my God. And these people, they go ahead of this one. They can the amount. They're not paying the whole thing, they're paying enough to keep them alive.
Yeah.
And they get paid and paid, and when we're in there, nothing but freaking weather.
Put in the bag. Oh, bye.
Wait, $10 more, you can get the bigger one.
Or if you like 25, you can do it.
저게 없는 없어. 내가 저게 없는 없어.
Susan man ini, Susan man toka. Susan lang sa ini. Ano din ka kau? Apa? Sabi ko,
Gonna write first in 130. No, I'm serious, you know.
You know what?
No, you can't because I sell it.
Ako nagkabato, ito yung pasaw.
How much pound?
Kumikot na yung queen na yan. Oh.
Pan from here.
Ako may uus na fashion nila. Mensch siya ano. I have to carry all the way there. and then
Yeah,
come back.
Carrie. Then how much? On the small? Yes, small. I like large. Okay, go.
There's a permanent under the water and outside. It's like up and down the water and in the ground. Yeah. There's everything there. How much? I give you $80. I want $50. Ah, come on, man. Come on, man. Amigo. Come on. Okay.
It's sadly possible. Hmm. Morning, morning. Yeah? Merci. Oh.
$7.
Yo, moose pa nga.
3.5 pounds.
Ganyan, moose. $7.50.
Just take 20 oil.
Too much.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna carry.
Not for me anymore. Let me anymore. The kids don't like it.
What about, oh, that's all? Oh,
Yeah, that's all I have. That's why I give you 20 oil.
Enough to.
okay too.
I
got
got
it.
one.
Thank you.
What much is it? You okay?
Rangin. Oops.
Look like it's green, but if you compare others, it's green. But look like it's just clear. Yeah.
Oh, wow.
What's this one?
There's a clear line. Yeah, people use the leaf for cooking.
Iya, siapa dah school? Dia kain kan? School. Okay.
Not too much.
How much you sell this one for?
Snake?
Oh, that's a snake one, yeah, the with the yellow green thing.
That's the height already.
Huh?
If you buy the two, I give you $15 for two.
What about just one? The large one.
That,
Yeah, that one.
that's 10.
Okay. What kind of plant is that? Yeah. You don't.
Kalancho.
Oh, okay.
Scallop.
Oh, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thanks. Yeah. This. Oh. How much you sell the one that below?
20.
$20. Okay.
21.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you.
21.
This one, how much?
This one. 200.
Oh,
Long time.
yeah. Nice. Sorry. $200. Saxophone Tagalog. Carrot cheese. Mama went my children. Oh, nice. Okay. Oh. Oh, mange panguk follow. Mange panguk. Ano si Yeah. Okay. Ngày sau đi cùng chuyện này. Ngày sau đi cùng chuyện này. Rồi yeah. Alright, come matinee si con. No. Kumne masko eh. Kenye. Kumne masko apa? Miracle ko eh.
Miracle.
Ano pa? Okay.
Jail kinda saved me. Gotta keep the hard work, ain't no getting lazy. Walking in opposition, kinda sure that I'm engaged. Think you like some way up in my shoes and nigga shady. Bitch, I need a go from days.
Ate nga wala.
Tapos kayo. Wala sila yung smoke dyan. Salayan. Ito. Bahaya kita uji si kawan siya sih.
Yan siya lang.
Lama kita natin.
Okay.
Attention to all vendors, you are allowed to tie down today. Again, you're allowed to tie down today.
Man.
Nangkuan.
How? I'm gonna ask me something. Oh. Super five. Ano?
Dai, bekta. Di, bekta.
How much you sell the cooler for?
Brand new.
Oh, it's brand new?
Brand new. 20 bucks.
Okay.
20 bucks. Never used.
Dalawa kami.
Parang ano sila cooler siya nga. Cooler siya. Ngayon isang antolan. Ano lang. Mama, una. Paano lang nga isang antolan? Ito ang talong mo. Brand new. Man, this is a brand new. Take a crack in a brand new. Yeah. Ja, Wangen macht das fast wohl. Fantastic. 그거네.
I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out for me. I don't care what party you was in, you can't out for me. Keep coming.
Ah. Morning, morning.
My luggage, brand new. It's a good luggage.